Hey guys, so it's the next day. What we're gonna be doing is probably drain the oil, drain the coolant, and start taking off coolant reservoir, taking off the fan. For now, we're just gonna basically drain the coolant and the oil and then clean the engine bay. Hopefully take this off. I took off some stuff in the front to have more clearance. Let's go. I drained the oil, took off the fan, took off the old intercooler because we're gonna replace that, and then I'm gonna drain the coolant next. So let's go. The good news is there's usually a lot of oil here. However, there's not that much oil in mine. There is some, of course, that's expected. One thing that I like to do to drain all the coolant out of it. You can see the turbo now, took off the heat shield, the boost solenoids. So the next step now is basically to try and take off the bolt from here, whatever I can. Take off the inlets and the outlets. So let's get to that. So just taking off the bolt downstairs, I just use a T30. They weren't too tight, so. So now what I'm probably gonna do is just take off the O2 sensors plug here and then go down and then take off the downpipes. So let's go. So this was probably the hardest part. My bolt was seized in and I had to basically just saw it off. Took a good 30 minutes, but got it done. So happy days. Now time to clean this all off and let's go take the downpipes off. Finally took off the downpipes after 30 minutes. Time to clean up to drop the subframe. Let's go.